Ever since SCOPH was established, it was fueled by the vision of medical students attaining the optimal skills and knowledge to contribute to their full potential towards the making of healthier communities in both their capacity as medical students and as future healthcare providers. Fueled by this vision, the members of MedSIN-Sudan SCOPH, led by the SCOPH national team, created the coronavirus prevention campaign in the hopes of limiting the spread of COVID in Sudan. The goals were pretty simple: to capacitate medical students about outbreaks in COVID-19, as well as raising the awareness of the Sudanese community about COVID. The campaign consisted of two main components, a physical component and an online component, and it went through 6 main phases that comprised the entire campaign. It started out with a series of online posts that consisted of pictures, videos, GIFs, posters, and any form of media that we can put out into social media that was used by the Sudanese population, such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram, Twitter, etc., in the hopes of reaching out to as many Sudanese individuals as possible, followed by a series of outbreak management sessions that targeted medical students from LCs from all over MedSIN-Sudan, as well as radio station shows that aim to correct the misconceptions about COVID-19 and the Sudanese population. During the physical component of the campaign, a collaboration with an organization called Fill a Heart was established in order to provide financial aid to families who were affected by the pandemic, as well as community outreaches that targeted Sudanese population, specifically local business owners who were still operating during the pandemic. These are examples of the posters that were used during the community outreach and that were distributed throughout social media. As you can see, they were very simple and they were done in a way that can be digested by the Sudanese population. Here you can find pictures of the OC during the health education activity. Lastly, the results of our campaign were summarized in reaching out through the health education to approximately 50 houses with an average of 12 people per house, reaching out to over 200 individuals who were local business owners and educated them about the preventive measures that can be utilized in dealing with customers, capacitated over 50 medical students from 24 different universities around Sudan about outbreak management and the role of medical students in combating COVID-19, reached out to over 25,000 Sudanese individuals throughout Facebook, WhatsApp, and Telegram through specifically designed educational posters about COVID-19. Thank you very much, and we hope that this pandemic ends soon and we can go back to resuming our lives.